Alright everybody, I got a 05 Pontiac Prix. Came into the shop, the lock cylinder on it was no good. You know, here's the key, lock cylinder. Won't work, so I replaced the lock cylinder. Alright, and then reprogrammed it the way you're supposed to reprogram it. Vehicle still wouldn't start when I was done. Here's what I found. Now, most people don't realize that when these keys get stuck, you have to normally go down there and pop the shift linkage off the transmission, which is way down there, to pop them in neutral. Well, there's a ground wire right here, and if you look, you can kind of see it. I'm not gonna be able to get you the best angle. See the nut down there, the stud? There are 4 wires that go on that. One of those wires, which is really difficult to find, is a ground for the PCM right here. Well, what happens is that normally in Wisconsin, and these cars are getting older, they lose their ground. When it loses the ground, you'll have fuel pressure, 53 pounds. You'll have no spark or injector pulse. Okay, and the vehicle will not start, and you're scratching your head, you're wondering why. Key crank sensor, a lot of people replace those. I happened to find an article because I didn't believe that I had that problem going on about somebody with this ground, which I'll give them credit to. Well, point of the story is what I'm trying to say is that if anybody reaches their hand down and into here to pop that shift linkage off, you rub this harness right here. See the harness? You can actually see the connectors off. Right here, you rub this harness. Once this harness moves, these grounds down here, down in here, can't take it. You can see how corroded they are. Let's see if I can get you a better picture of that. You can see how corroded up these grounds are. Okay, another one. Right here, see? And that doesn't allow the spark. It doesn't allow the PCM to have a ground to be able to turn on the spark in the injectors. It can't drive them. And also the ignition module can't get them. So it's a good thought to keep in mind. I'm not saying it's going to be your fix every time. Your best thing to do is take it to the shop. But hey, take a look at it, see what you come up with, and yep.